This lesson focused on inventory management. So we looked at starting with what are the different reasons that force companies to hold inventory, and we related that to some day-to-day decisions that we make about inventory in our day-to-day lives. Then we looked at measuring the organization's capability of managing inventory by looking at some accounting ratios. We looked at inventory turnover ratio, we looked at days of supply held by a company, and then we also looked at the cash-to-cash cycle as a way of looking at how good a company is at managing their inventory overall. Next, we got into this idea of what is the total cost of managing inventory from the point of view of two different types of costs, the costs of ordering and the cost of holding inventory. We incorporated both of these into a total cost for inventory, and then we used the economic order quantity model to come up with what is the optimal quantity of inventory that can be ordered in order to get the best trade-off between these two costs, the cost of ordering and the cost of holding. We focused on independent demand inventory items, and we looked at one particular system called the continuous review system to look at how much to order and when to order. So for these two decisions, for how much to order, we said we're going to order the economic order quantity, and when to order, we incorporated some things from statistics, from the normal distribution. We said that once we figure out our service level, how much we're okay with customers being told that we don't have enough inventory to fulfill their order, as well as the idea of standard deviation of demand. So taking the probability distribution of demand, and we incorporated that into computing a reorder point based on the lead time for when we place the order to when we receive the goods from our supplier. So hopefully you've got a good perspective of some of the basic decisions that companies make in terms of their inventory management policies.